Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro Shop Parts Department here to show you a new product that we've just completed, and it is the window switch toggles, which I'm sure a lot of you have suffered with breakages in the past. So these are the little chrome toggles that sit on here, on the top here, and they're really common for cracking down here, all the chrome falling off. Some people have cut their fingers on them where the chrome's flaked here and they've gone to use the button and it's cut them. As you can see on this one's just starting, just under here where the chrome's just falling off there. And we're just going to show you really quickly how to fit them. So they come as a pack of 3, like this. So 2 for the driver's side and 1 for the passenger side. They're really simple to fit. So once you've taken the window switch out the car, on the driver's one we're going to show you, there are 4 screws. Okay, so really simply undo the 4 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. These are usually quite loose. Like that. And then very carefully just grab the switch from here and pull it away from the chrome. Sometimes you have to open the switches slightly like this and they wiggle out. Okay, then get a flat bladed screwdriver and very carefully, if you look just here, just under there, you're just going to get the screwdriver and you're going to just give it a turn, and that should pop it off. Simple as that. Then you get your new one, line it up with the square, give it a push until it goes click. That's it. That simple. And then you put this back together again in the opposite way and put your screws in. These are injection molded, chrome plated, so they're made exactly the same as the originals were. This isn't a paint, this is actual chrome. They literally take seconds to fit and they can repair your switches back to their former glory. These are now available as a set of 3 on our website for pre-order, which should be ready by the middle of August, and they're going to be $39.99 for the set.